as you can see, this is Wednesday, August 1st. It's 5:30 in the morning. It's already 78 degrees or something like that in Washington State. I wanted to show you one thing. I'm sorry about the mess, but after I get home, I'm just so tired. I'm getting old. Anyway, there's my old radiator system. I want to show you something about this new radiator system here. I believe this is the back end of it that goes against the bike, and as you can see, a lot of the glove compartment has been cut out. So I want to show you what this looks like put in, and I got to be real careful not to hurt the fins at all. And I've got to go to work here real quick and see a client. But I think that this radiator will fit underneath this windscreen. Now I can't say for certain because it's not in correctly with all the buttons and whistles and all the fittings and everything. Come on, get in there. And of course this plastics are so damn old that they're can't get this bullshit onto the things. Maybe that'll do it. Yeah, come on. There you go. Okay, that's with the windscreen on. That's with it all the way down. And there is a radiator. There is a Taida radiator underneath the Honda windscreen. Now this doesn't mean it's going to fit. It just fits a lot better than it does. Actually, it's got more area, room area. And the only problem that I see, and I have to go to work here real quick, is that and you got to be real careful not to hurt these fins. On the back here, it has these two tabs right here and here. They're for the $120 fan, which I imagine is pretty cool, but I don't know if that will add to the width of this a lot. So we have an incoming here, an outgoing right there, and then what Taida has done, which is a good idea, is they've given you this outlet right here. You put a little T handle thing right here, a T valve, and then you put your cap on. You put your cap on right there. So you can put that wherever you want, which is a good idea. But I'm going to see how well that'll work. I'm going to line up the radiator with the windscreen, probably raise it a little bit. What I'll do is I'll put the mounting brackets and everything in place and build something behind it to hold it and see how well that works. And if I have enough room, I may order the fan, but I don't know if I'll order it from this company because they weren't too good handling my complaints. Okay, this is a DIOSpeedDEMON, and we're carrying on.